Okay, here you guys got in a 7-Eleven. Okay, swapping tracks now. Station work on number 1 is complete. Main 1. Got in a 7-Eleven. RP-E4C. This is p52’s power. They're running around the train. Conductor has just had to switch ends. This will be the engine that will take them back to Chambly when they're done. 7-Eleven. 711. Too bad it's not 611. But yep, there you have it, guys. In a 3071. 711. Got a clear signal for track 2. Yeah, it's a cab. Still waiting on personnel to get in to move this locomotive. (711) still moving in position. This is Duluth, Georgia. Track. Wow. So he wonder what he's doing. Running around, it took him this long day. Decouple his train. So that was the engineer. Wow. He's decoupled. Now he's working on getting all situated. All black. In a 7-Eleven. 711 and 3071. p52. Chambly to Duluth, Georgia turn. Here's just stop. That's okay. You're moving shortly. These are 2-axle engines. 2 axles. (711) and then that's 3071. Right there. Here you go in a 7-Eleven. And then that's 3071. There's Island here at Duluth. Island here at Duluth. There he is. Getting ready to, I think, go. 7-Eleven. 711. And 3071. Uh-oh. (711) RP-E4C. Get ready to move this, I hope. Okay. Count up 20. We're going to move. Say move that train. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Move that train! It didn't work. Uh-oh. Well, here we go, guys. We got NS 3071, 711, P52. Norfolk Southern. Go for in the Gorsehead logo. Okay. And that's 3071. This one doesn't sound like it's running. It might be on purpose though. I think this engine gives this locomotive power. If I think it's correct. Not, then they have a dead engine.